Today's video is about the world's first camera sensor with built-in AI by Sony. So let's see. Sony unveils the world's first camera sensor with built-in AI. Here is the image you can see. This is the sensor which is built-in AI. Sony unveiled the world's very first image sensor that have artificial intelligence capabilities built in. The sensors are capable of processing captured image and extracting intelligent metadata at high speeds. The upcoming IMX500 and 501 intelligent vision sensor can be paired with the cloud services and having built-in AI, reduces data transmission latency, minimizes any privacy concern and reduces power consumption and communications cost, says Sony. The IMX500 and 501 are backside illuminated 1x2.3 inch sensor that have resolution of approximately 12.3 megapixels and 4K at 60 fps video capabilities, and they are expected to be priced at 10,000 yen and 20,000 yen or $93 or $187 respectively. Here's the chips or the sensor. The left one is IMX500 and the right one is IMX501. You can also see there's written at the bottom. The secret to the sensor is a new stack design that combines a pixel chip with a logic chip, the latter of which has AI image analysis and processing capabilities. After light is captured by the pixel chip, it's processed immediately by the AI on the logic chip. Okay, you can see here, this is the image. The sensor is capable of outputting both image and metadata together, or only the metadata if that's the only thing you need. The sensor outputs metadata, semantic information belonging to image data, instead of image information, making for reduced data volume and minimizing any privacy concern, Sony says. Moreover, the AI capabilities makes it possible to deliver diverse functionality for versatile applications such as real-time object tracking with high-speed AI processing. A single type of camera can be used with versatility across different locations, circumstances, times and purposes. When installed at the center at the entrance to the facility, it can be used to count the number of visitors entering the facility. When installed on the shelf of a store, it can be used to detect stock shortages, and when on the ceiling, it can be used for heat mapping store visitors, detecting location where many people gather and the like. But even though the sensors are currently geared toward industrial and retail application, it's easy to see how such a sensor could be interesting for photography cameras of the future. It's a sensor that can understand that you just photographed a dog. So here's the image you can see. It's a selectable data output format. There's a scene captured and there's a sensor IMX500 and IMX501 and there's information given. No words on if or when Sony may introduce AI capable image sensor to its popular consumer camera lines, but the IMX500 has already begun shipping to Sony's industry's customers, and the IMX501 is set to begin shipping next month. So this technology will likely see real world use very shortly.